Oh. Pilapil sa ano yung bagmulo. Pilapil ko ano eh. Dilita kayan. Kanot sa rin. Brian daw kasi. Brian. Ay mo nag-vampire. Si Edward, ikaw ba yan? Si Edward, si Bella. Di ba apil mang ka? Di ba apil mang ka? Maglag ko sila. Ah, isa-isa lang bumikap parties. Ahin mong partner. Saan yung partner mo?
Nag-meeting.
Ah. Ang kanila eh. Sayawin na! Video taka ha. Video taka. Ay, nag-make up siya. Kanina pa ito yung pick-up. Sakit na ulo.
I begin to
How are you, bossing? Char. Ha? Wala ko. What year pa ko i-record? Ikaw ra? Ha? Wala ka na-eskwela ka ron. Naginang successful ng puka. Congratulations!
You're mine for sure.
I begin to.
It's so special. Boy, it's when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my whole world. Just so you know, yeah,
Hello, assistant siya. Good assistant, Matara.
Manager. Pinsan yung yan.
for sure.
Ganyan na lang.
Philippines mo, no? Philippines mo, no? No, that's expensive. Kanak day. Kataong nice. Pwede another post. Next post.
Sige daw, try mo daw ganyan na. Side view ka ba?
Sige na, wala na. Wala mo sa'yo ba? Sa'yo, walang sang.
You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my whole. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure. Yeah. Ooh, you're mine for sure.
Pwede sa kagamay. Pwede sa kagamay. Wala talaga.
Gablang po. Wala lang pa kayo. Pati yung mga partner ko sa tanggalay mo rin, sir.
During my photo shoot, I was really having a hard time to do a posing because I was conscious what I'm gonna do if my pose is to be like this and this. Nahirapan ako kasi marami akong iniisip, paano ba to, ganito ba to, ito, ganito ba, kaya ganyan, matagalan ako sa pag ano sa akin kasi they are having a hard time for me to this one. So tinuruan nila kung paano mag-post ng ganito. So ako naman parang naninigas yung katawan ko kasi hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko, but I listen to my friend here that what should I'm gonna do in this spot of doing a posing to be like a real candidate. But anyway, I was so happy this time because they helped me a lot to be more confident about myself. That's why I joined this competition in the pageant, because I want to be a more like having a good confidence, and also when speaking in the front of many people na hindi ko ako matakot. That's why I joined here. So one of the best experience to join in the college life is joining in a competition of pageant, and also with my peers na candidate. Masaya kasama sila. So if you guys doing a school in your college life, you must try it para para ma-feel nyo na ay ganito pala yung feeling pag may kakompetensya ka at saka mga kaibigan na di mo na inaasahan. Di mo inaasahan na darating yung mga bago mong kaibigan sa iyo. That's it. Kung may darating, mayroon ding mawawala. But anyway, I'm so happy with this one because after this pageant, parang nag-band kami ng mga co-peers, contenders ko. Kaya masaya ako dahil nakilala sila sa ganitong competition in the school. And also, I would like to say to our organizers in this competition, because they run smoothly our program photo shoot about this one. So thankful kami kasi hands-on sila to handle their ano tawag ba nito sa kanilang ginagawang trabaho dito. Ewan, parang natulala ako. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa. Parang may sinasabi dito yung friend. Tapos, I was like, okay. Nag-listen ako sa kanya kasi anong gagawin. Then, suddenly, they said that I'm gonna clip this one. So, yung organizer tumulong sa akin na ganito. Dapat ganitong gawin. So, I was having like this na, okay, I'm gonna do this. So, kilip ko yung yung ganyan, no? Ano bang tawag dito? Kasi yun ang tema namin for photoshoot na dapat yung front is may brown. Para siyang, it's summer feels pala kasi summer na summer, and the weather is not really good because it's really hot here in the Philippines. So, that's our tema na summer feels. So, si ma'am tinulungan niya ako dito na i-clip ang pines there.
I begin to
sure.
I begin to
It's so special, boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh, just so you know, you're mine for sure. You're mine for sure. Yeah. Ooh, you're mine for sure.
I begin to I begin to